Let me take you into a little moment you have probably lived yourself. You are standing in front of a cafe counter and you just want a cup of coffee. That's all. But the board behind the barista reads like a novel. Espresso, flat white, mocha, soy latte, oatmeal, cold brew, ice shaken. What now? 5 minutes later, you're not excited. You are overwhelmed. And somehow, when you finally order, you are not even sure is what you wanted. You leave with a cup in your hand and a strange feeling in your chest, like you could have made a better choice. That is a paradox of choice. There was a famous study done in a supermarket. One table had 6 kinds of jam, the other 24. Now, guess what happened? More people stopped at the table with 24 jams. It looked more exciting, more options, more freedom. But far more people actually bought from the table with just 6. Why? Because too many choices don't make them happy. They paralyze us. They leave us doubting ourselves even after we decide. Here is what's happening behind the scenes in your brain. When you are faced with a lot of choices, your mind starts working overtime. It has to compare, calculate, imagine outcomes, and predict regrets. We call this decision fatigue, and it's exhausting. Then, once you finally choose something, another thought creeps in. What if I choose wrong? What if the other one was better? That's regret. And it ruins even the best decision. Think about it. You scroll through endless pages of clothes, but you end up buying nothing. Or you sit with 3 career options in front of you and feel stuck. Even though all 3 are good, you are not lazy, or it's not that you are not able to make any decisions. You are just overwhelmed. And it's not your fault. It's your nervous system trying to protect you from regret. So, what do? We need to remove choice altogether. We just need to simplify it. Starts by narrowing things down. Give yourself 2 to 3 solid options, not 20. Decide what really matters to you before you decide what to choose. And once you choose, let it be enough. Because chasing the perfect choice often steals the joy from the good one. Here is what I want you to remember. Too many options may feel like freedom, but often they create pressure. Pressure to choose perfectly, to avoid regret, to never get it wrong. But life isn't perfect. And happiness doesn't come from choosing everything. It comes from choosing what matters and letting that be enough. I'm Sophie Matthew, counseling psychologist. I believe peace is not in having more. It is in knowing when to stop and simply choose. If this video helped you reflect, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you soon.